In a bright morning scene filled with sunshine, Maya, a cheerful 2-year-old girl, jumps out of her cozy bed with a big smile on her face. Her friends, playful rabbits and cuddly bears, gather around her, eager to join in on the day's adventure. Excitement fills the air as they prepare for their morning routine together. With a joyful twinkle in her eye, Maya begins to move and clap her hands, setting the tone for their morning songs. The group dances energetically, emphasizing the importance of brushing their teeth before breakfast. From every corner, the adorable animals bounce along, illustrating how much fun it can be to start the day with a smile and fresh teeth. Next, Maya turns to grab her bright toothbrush with one hand and her colorful toothpaste with the other. Animated toothbrushes around them twirl in delight, making it clear that brushing teeth is a super fun activity. The lively colors and playful motions capture everyone's attention. As the beat picks up, Maya and her friends mimic brushing their teeth up and down and around, fully caught up in the catchy tune. They move joyfully in rhythm, showcasing the excitement of each stroke. The cheerful atmosphere encourages everyone to join in, making toothbrushing feel like a magical dance. After all the brushing fun, giggles erupt as they move to wash and spit it out, creating a bubbly spectacle. Colorful bubbles float around them, filling the scene with laughter and joy. Everyone pretends to rinse and spit, turning the bathroom into a delightful playground. Finally, all of Maya's friends gather together in a happy circle, beaming as they sing with all their hearts. The sky brightens even more as they shout about their morning routine, surrounded by animated smiles, sparkles, and giggles. This cheerful adventure ends with a bang, leaving everyone ready for a wonderful day ahead, filled with clean smiles and laughter.